So I'm here with Lode. I was actually pulled aside and told that Lode has a really interesting story for us and that we should interview him. So why don't you give us maybe a little bit of details about your background?
About what I'm currently doing or what I used to do?
What you used to do?
Well, I used to be, actually I studied informatics in high school in Bruges, and then I almost immediately started working as a Java developer, and actually almost immediately at LCM, where I'm still currently, and where I've been for the last 15 years.
Oh, wow. Okay, so you used to do Java development, but you're here at a low-code OutSystems conference. Can you tell me about your journey to get there?
Well, one of the things that I experienced at LCM as a Java developer, that was because they always stayed with this. Well, actually, the thing is, at a certain point, I wanted to do something new. I wanted to do something different. But because LCM always stayed back then with the same Java version and the same versions of the frameworks they were working with, they were actually not up to date with the market anymore.
Oh, wow.
So when I started looking for other positions and when I started looking around on the market, I actually realized that my market value was basically zero.
Wow, really?
And that I would have to go to study actually again to gain market value again.
Yeah. So now as far as like working on your Java projects to now moving to OutSystems, how do you think that's changed your creativity?
Well, because I got the chance to, first of all, because I got the chance to work with OutSystems, I basically stayed where I was, because it would have been a pity to leave LCM, because it's actually a good employer. And yeah, in the past 5 years that I was working with OutSystems, I just got the chance to work on a bunch of very interesting applications, more applications over the same time that I would have done in Java. And yeah,
Yeah. So since you are now doing OutSystems development, if you could give any piece of advice to maybe a developer who works in traditional coding, what piece of advice would you give them about something like a low-code platform like OutSystems?
I would say don't be afraid to look at it and try it, and forget everything you think about it before you actually know what it is. Just do it and try it.
Yeah, give it a shot, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So, and just for my own curiosity, what's some of the applications that you've built using OutSystems technology?
The biggest project I've been working on is the mobile app from LCM. I was just one of the many developers on the project, and
yeah,
it's a project. Well, it's an application in which our members can see their health information, payment information, all that kind of data, and we have more than 1 million registered users on the app.
1 million registered users,
and it's used on a monthly basis by at least 400,000 users. So
that's incredible. That is an amazing story. I'm really glad that you were able to share it with me, and somebody pulled me aside to have me interview you. So I really appreciate it, Lode. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hey, we'll see you.